guys, this is Nattida Chong. I am here with none other than the genius himself, the visionary himself, Mr. Fabio Galdi, who is the CEO and founder of World Global Network. And he has done it again, is about to break records upon records, not just in the network marketing space, but in this new space, which congratulations again for introducing now here. As you can see, this is called the Helo Extense, the first ever in the world non-invasive sugar trend monitoring device. So I would love for you to show us how profound this product is and why World Global Network is going to be the top of the top just because of this tiny little product alone, and what it means to you and the value that this brings to the marketplace and to the rest of the world.
Thank you, Nattida. Yes, this is something we're really proud and excited at the same time. It's about 2 years we have worked on this device, on this technology. It's a life sensing technology. It's the first non-invasive glucose monitor available for consumers. And, we have made the first launch, you remember the CES 2018, and we had a big box where we were doing the demo to the public in Las Vegas. And so from that point to now, we have worked really very, very hard to arrive to have a small device like this one that can be carried in
your pockets,
everywhere. So especially for people like me that have diabetes type 2, this is going to be a changing life kind of device. I have diabetes since when I was 30, so it's now 15 years. And 15 years of pricking your finger, getting your blood out. I call the barbaric system of checking your blood. In 2018, where we are almost ready to send starships to Mars, we still have to do that. So I was when I was starting looking into this technology, I was saying that this technology can truly help and improve the quality of life of people, because here we're talking about quality of life. And only the idea that you don't have to prick your finger anymore, it's really phenomenal. I'm just so excited to know that a lot of people, I hope millions of people around the world, they would be able to use this technology and stop doing these barbaric things of pricking, enduring your finger every day for the rest of your life. So we're going to run here a very quick demo. The sugar trend monitor device work on Android and iOS application. The application is quite simple. You don't have much features or menu or complication. You can manage to have more users on the application so that you can use one device for multiple users. So sometimes happen that in the family you may have more people have diabetes, or they want people that they just want to check their blood sugar level. So you can create more accounts. You can create
in one app.
Yeah, in one app, and so with one device. So in this case, it's me, and I put my wife. So I'm not doing the test on myself. The user can choose 2 levels of measurement. One we call wellness level. The wellness level will give you as a result a range of your measurement through a color scale, where we will tell you if your blood sugar is normal, it's a little high, it's high, or it's very high, or it's low. That is basically it's for people that probably they are not very familiar with this kind of glucose device, and they don't want to go through a calibration process. They just want to know what is the status overall of the sugar level. And it's even myself that I have diabetes type 2, sometimes I don't really need to see the number. I mean, I just need to know if it's too high, it's high, or it's little high. But anyway, for those people that want to have a precise number, so precise result, they can choose the health option. But for the health option, they require a calibration. Which require the usage of a traditional glucometer. And so we're going to do the test now. I just need to go start measurement. I didn't select, so wellness, start measurement. And there are 3 simple steps. One is put your finger into the device. Don't shake your hands, and then you just continue. Then the measurement is going to take about 20 seconds. And in this 20 second, the device is reading my vessels, so my capillaries on my finger, and then there will be a next stage, will be the processing of the signal and sending over to the artificial intelligence server. So the 20 seconds is gone. So during the rest of the countdown, we will do the traditional painful,
barbaric, blood messy method.
So put my lancet into the device.
Thank you for being
Loading the gun, shooting on the finger, and get blood out. So I just need to collect the blood.
So this is the traditional way.
From here on the lancet, and waiting for results. 140.
140.
As a diabetes type 2, this is my normal value when I'm not eating anything. So you can imagine.
Really?
So that is what is I call my target. So under 40 is what I can achieve, without eating and with some medication. So that means I'm a little bit high.
Okay.
With the measurement, because normal is from 80 to 125. We can say this is a normal measurement, normal value for people. From 126 to 160, we consider a little bit high.
Okay.
Then from 160 to 240, we said this is a high, and then above 240, it's going to be very high. So now the data is sent to the server, and here the results. A little bit high, so I'm in the range of 126 to 160, and that was my reading right now, 140.
So you're telling me, Fabio, that this one, where you actually had to prick your finger, get blood in the barbaric, messy way, 3 times a day, you said?
Yeah, that's
gave you this value.
Yeah.
But yet this little device, in just
30 seconds.
20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, had provided you with the value of little high without being invasive.
Absolutely. And here you can see at the end of the result, I can also say that I can record and track my measurement. I said was before a meal, and it was like...
So you could give it more details for the report.
Yeah, then I can confirm and store my data. My data goes in the report, so I can have a track on the graph. Yeah, this was my first measurement.
And you get to keep track of all of this.
So I can keep track of all my trends. That's why it's called sugar trend.
Do you guys see why this is going to explode in the market? Why? Because there's millions of people out there who are doing the old way. And yet here with World Global Network and with the Helo Extense, what we have and the opportunity we have to change the life of people, to optimize their life and optimize their health in a smarter way.
Yeah, I would just want to add one more thing that I think it's pretty important.
Absolutely.
To give the confidence to the people going to use and adopt our technology to solve their problem of reading the glucose level. The device is just obtained the certification in Europe, the CE mark, as a medical device class 1.
So there you go. I said people believe right here.
So we are going to the market very seriously.
I love that.
Really
aggressively, yes.
With the objective to really change and improve quality of life of people, which is our mission.
And I thank you for that. It's like the heart and the soul of the company to go out and change people's lives. Inspire the change.
Inspire the
change. So thank you once again, Mr. Fabio Galdi.
Thank you for
just being here, being the genius that you are. My name is Nattida.
My name is Fabio.
And we are World Changers.